Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Root Claims chat workflow in the Root app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Root app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Locate and select the settings option from the menu. Scroll down to find the Claims chat workflow section. Click on Configure Workflow. You will now see options for different workflow settings. Start by defining the initial state for your chat workflow. Choose whether to enable or disable notifications for new claims. Set the response time for the initial acknowledgement of claims. Next, configure the escalation settings for unresolved claims. Select the team members who will receive escalated claims. Decide on the priority levels for different types of claims. Add any custom messages you want to include in the workflow. Review all your settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Once satisfied, click on the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation that your changes have been saved. Return to the main dashboard to begin using your configured workflow. Test the workflow by initiating a test claim. Monitor the responses and escalation paths. Make adjustments as necessary based on your test results. Congratulations, you have successfully configured the Root Claims chat workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.